Dear students, in this lecture, I am going to discuss about most probable and average distance of electron from nucleus. First case is most probable distance of electron from the nucleus. The most probable distance of electron from nucleus can be found out by taking the example of ground state of hydrogen atom as consider the 1s orbital wave function of hydrogen atom given by this. This is wave function of hydrogen atom. On taking care of this wave function, we get probability density. R is distance of electron from the nucleus. So the probability density is found out by squaring equation 1. So we get psi square 1s equals to 1 by pi a naught cube into e raised power minus 2r by a naught. Quantum mechanically, the probability of finding the electron in a spherical shell of thickness dr at a distance of r from the nucleus is given by this relation. Pr dr equals to 4 pi r square psi square 1s dr. This is spherical shell of thickness dr at a distance of r from the nucleus. This is nucleus. The space around the nucleus is imagined to be divided into many concentric shells having the thickness dr. This r is the radius of electron from the nucleus. Now substitute the values of psi square s from equation 2 into equation 3. Substitute this value in this equation. Then we get this relation. For the probability to be maximum, dpr by dr should be equals to 0. Thus, on differentiating and putting the value equals to 0, we get this. dpr by dr equals to, here a naught and 4 is common constant, so we take it as a constant 4 by a naught cube. Here we are left with two terms r square into e raised power of minus 2r by a naught, and differentiation of u into v is u plus v. So first of all we differentiate this term, it becomes minus 2r square by a naught plus differentiation of this is 2r into e raised power minus 2r by a naught equals to 0. Since Bohr radius a naught is not equals to 0 and exponential term is also not equals to 0, hence this term is not equals to 0 and also this is not equals to 0. Hence we are left with this term. So put this term equals to 0. Take 2r common from this equation, then we get this relation. So r by a naught equals to 0, therefore we get r equals to a naught. Thus, the most probable distance of 1s electron from nucleus is a naught, and this is precisely what has been predicted by the Bohr radius. This is average distance of electron from the nucleus. The average distance of electron from nucleus can also be found out by taking the example of ground state of hydrogen atom as, in this case, again consider the 1s orbital wave function of hydrogen atom, which is given by this relation. In quantum mechanics, the average R expectation value of dynamical variable R is given by integration of psi hash 1s into R into psi 1s into d tau. In case of hydrogen and hydrogen-like atoms, the d tau is given by r square dr sin theta d theta into d phi. Hence, integrating this equation between the appropriate limits and substitute the value of psi 1s and dr in this equation, we get this equation. Taking 1 by root by a naught 3 by 2 common, and if separate these variables, we get this relation. So on multiplying this, it becomes 1 by pi a naught cube into integration of 0 to infinite r cube e raised power minus 2r by a naught dr into integration 0 to pi sine theta d theta into integration between the limits 0 to 2 pi d phi. On solving these integrals, first integral is this. So it is solved by using a formula which is n factorial upon alpha raised to power of n plus 1. Here n is power of r. So here n is 3. 3 factorial upon alpha. Alpha is the term that is attached to this r. So it is 2 by a naught. And alpha raised power n plus 1. N is 3. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So on solving this factorial 3 into 2 upon 16 into a naught 4. So it comes 3 by 8 a naught 4. On solving this we get it becomes 2, and on solving this limit it becomes 2 pi. So put these values of these integrals in this equation, then we get average radius equals to this. Here pi get cancelled. Here we are left with this 3 by 2 a naught. Hence average radius equals to 3 by 2 a naught. Therefore, the average distance of electron from the nucleus in ground state of hydrogen is found to be 3 by 2 a naught. Thanks.